Bwera Hospital in western Uganda is where the 5-year-old boy, then his grandmother, died from Ebola. Both had recently attended a funeral in neighbouring Democratic Republic of Congo, where the boy's grandfather also succumbed to the virus. Health officials say after the burial, some other relatives accompanied them to Uganda. Most were Congolese nationals who were sent back on Thursday after an agreement was made between the two governments to repatriate them. The district surrounding the hospital is on alert. The Ugandan government has banned public gatherings in Kasese district as the Ministry of Health tries to control the spread of Ebola. The virus causes internal bleeding and is often fatal. Ugandan doctors say 2 other patients are being kept in isolation in Bwera. The latest outbreak of Ebola in Uganda spread from the eastern DRC. The outbreak there last year has since killed 1,400 Congolese and infected 2,000. Just over 500 have been treated. Efforts to contain the spread have been hampered by militia attacks on treatment centres and hostility towards medical teams. In the bustling markets of Uganda's capital, Kampala, concerns are growing.
Yeah, we have been advised by the ministry. Today morning I heard on the radio, don't shake with anybody, just bonga, bonga like that, you know.
See, I don't see any preparedness because people are moving freely and I think they are not aware. Yeah, though they know it is a very dangerous disease and it is happening. When you consider Kampala and Kasese, people see it as far and it is not their concern, I would say.
Preemptive measures are being imposed. Ugandans are being urged to wash their hands with soap. Following previous outbreaks in Uganda, doctors and nurses are experienced in dealing with Ebola patients. They've also helped contain outbreaks in Sierra Leone and other countries in West Africa. An emergency vaccination campaign is being set up to immunize health workers on the front line.
A number of people, over 700 frontline health workers and other workers, were vaccinated in Kasese district. And so from Friday, we shall begin vaccination again of frontline health workers, other workers, and ring vaccination for the contacts.
The alert is spreading to the World Health Organization. An emergency committee is planned on Friday to determine whether the Ebola spread to Uganda should become an international public health emergency. Haru, Mutasa, Al Jazeera.